Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making strawberry shortcake crunch cupcakes. I'm not going to be focusing on the cupcakes itself. For the recipe for the cupcakes, check the description box below for that recipe. Today I'm going to be focusing on the shortcake crunch crumble. To make the crumble, you're going to need vanilla jello and strawberry jello. I'm using the 3.3 ounce boxes because I'm not going to need a lot of crumble. So I'm going to get started on that and show you how I make mine. You want to have a quarter cup of softened butter, salt-free. You do not want salted butter. You want 1/4 cup of flour. And I like to add extract to each one of my jellos to just boost up the flavor. So here's my strawberry. So I add strawberry extract, and here's my vanilla. I added vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon to each one. And if you're using bigger boxes, like 5 ounces or 6 ounce jello, you're going to use a whole stick of butter, 1 cup of flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for each one. It is that simple for bigger boxes. As I said, I'm using the smaller boxes because I'm not going to use that much crunch from what I'm making. With your softened butter, you just want to blend it into the flour and the jello mix, making sure that you're mixing your extract very well. And each one of these are going to be done in separate bowls. Strawberry for one bowl, vanilla for the other. And just mix that in really good. And you're going to do this until it's all blended and then it's like a crumbly texture. But make sure you incorporate that butter and that flour and that jello mixture in there real good. And after you mix both of your jello mixes, set your oven to 350 degrees to start preheating. And you can actually do that before you even start this jello. And after your crumble and everything is mixed together really good and you preheat your oven, you're going to put it on a cookie sheet. Line your cookie sheet with aluminum foil and spray a little nonstick cooking spray on your foil. Once you take your crumble out of the oven, you want to allow it to cool, and then you just want to crumble it up into the desired texture that you want. You can also use a food processor, but don't over crumble it if you're using a processor to the point it looks like dust, okay? After you've crumbled up your strawberry shortcake crumble and mixed it together, this is how it looks. And if you have any that's left, you can put it in a Ziploc freezer bag and store it up to a month. I have to say this to you all. Normally when you're making your strawberry shortcake crumble, you'll see all over YouTube or whatever that they're using vanilla jello and the strawberry jello. Well, I changed mine up a bit and I've been using Sonic strawberry shake jello. The reason why I started using this to make my crumble is because, believe it or not, this actually tastes like a strawberry shake. So when you use it as a crumble to make a crumble mix, it tastes more like strawberry shortcake crumble. Originally, strawberry shortcake crunch was an ice cream. Well, when you use the strawberry shortcake, when you use the strawberry shake mix with Sonic, it actually tastes like the strawberry shortcake crunch ice cream. That's why I use this. So if you want to try something a little different, try the Sonic strawberry shake when you make your crumble. All right. This has been Christine of Christine's Awesome Things, and I want to make mention something else to you. When you're making your cupcakes, if you're using a box cake mix, click the black box at the top right hand corner of your screen. That'll take you to my video on how to make a box cake taste homemade. If you don't want to do the recipe down below, the recipe down below does call for dried strawberries, which in this day and age, they're getting a little bit expensive. I know that. And you don't necessarily have to have dry strawberries in this recipe. So if you're going to use a box cake mix, go ahead and click that button and you'll find out how to make a box cake taste homemade. Make sure you give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and check out the other videos at the end.